You hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right. Oh, we're live. Hi, everyone. Dr. Olabintan here. I am the voice and what am I saying? This is the voice of Dr. Olabintan, Livingspring Family Medical Center here in the beautiful city of Mansfield, Texas, where we help our patients live long and well because we believe the quality of life is just as important as the quantity of life. Today, we'll be having a tête-à-tête with yours truly, talking about workspace tips to avoid back and neck pain. All right. If you're watching live, hashtag live. If you're watching replay, hashtag replay. Oh, I need to go up. Okay, I may have to stand there. All right. Why are we having this discussion? Because I see a lot of patients or clients who come in and they complain about neck pain, mid back pain, upper back pain, lower back pain. And I'll be honest with you, sometimes I struggle with that as well. And so it became a question of, well, what's going on? What position are you in most of the day? Now, for those who are working from home who sit a lot, your posture while you work is very, very important. I'm going to see if I can lift up my chair. I lift up the chair. No, that's the highest. Okay. All right. So it's very important when you are working that your positioning is optimized for you. So I'm going to try to demonstrate. Let me see if I can with this. Better sitting positions when you are working. All right. So ideally, you want a chair that supports your back and supports your neck, right? And you want your arm when you're typing to be at 90 degrees. So right here, let me see if I can bend this a little bit lower. Okay, so right here where your arm is, 90 degrees. So this is ideally where your mouse should be. Not here, not like this. All right. So I'm going to go back and forth a video and not like this. When you do this, you move your head forward most of the day and you make your neck muscles hold your skull instead of your neck bones. Your neck bones are equipped to hold your head. Your head is kind of a good size, so it needs support. But when you allow the muscles only to hold it by positioning yourself like this when you type, you put a lot of strain on those muscles. You overpull ligaments around your neck and increase the risk actually of arthritis and pinched nerves in your neck. And so it is ideal that your neck is like this, not like this. So not the turtle, like this. All right. And you yourself, as you adjust yourself to the position, you'll notice that you feel better. So you're not walking like this. So you want to make sure if it's an eyeglass issue, you need to see your computer screen that you can see very well. If it's an issue of the font is too small, you can actually open up the computer or increase the font size by going to your there's a tab, three dots on the when you're on the World Wide Web, three dots. You click on it and you could go um, bigger or smaller. You can increase how big the screen looks, so you're not straining your eyes. All right. So we talked about the neck positioning. You want to have this supported, right? Like this. You're typing 90 degree, and you want your vision sight to not, you're not looking this way and you're not looking this way. This strains and this strains. So this ideally, um, you're looking straight ahead or no lower than 30 degrees below. So this is straight, 30 degrees below. So between here and here is okay. Not here, not here, not here. So some people say, I type on the bed. You're doing this. Not good. Long periods of time, it can affect your neck. When neck is affected, shoulders affected, the spine is affected. That affects the back, and it goes all the way down because our bones do not work in isolation. Now, for this piece, some of you may be wondering, well, I don't have a desk that would allow me to do that. Actually, I don't have it here, but there are pads that you can get for your arm rest. There's a pad you can get that has Velcro straps. I found it on Amazon that you can attach, and then your mouse can be here. Is it mouse or mice? I know mouse. Okay, it can be here, so your arm is relaxed. Another thing you could do is get they have a stand for an under your desk keypad placer. That way, it's at comfortable. You see that? So mine is really, I had to do this because, back started hurting, neck started hurting. I mean, and it started to affect a lot of things. And so it was very important to get one. So I had to go online and look for things to attach here and attach here. And then you could also get a sit to stand desk. So sometimes you can sit, and sometimes, well, this is standing, and sometimes you can sit. All right. So there are ways that you can sit comfortably at work, but you have to understand the importance of it. And so, just in summary, again, you want to get a chair that supports your neck, supports your lower back. It doesn't have to be all cushioning, but something that supports the curve of your spine. You want to make sure your arm is at 90-degree angle when you're typing. 90-degree angle when you're typing. You want to make sure your screen is at about, straight ahead or 30 degrees down, not high and not up. So you want to start to see how you can adjust your settings for that. Now your legs, where should your legs be? Ideally, your legs should be on the floor, supported. And for those of you who have under the desk exercise machines, you want to make sure it's also positioned. I have one here because I try to practice what I preach by, cycling every so often while I'm seeing patients or in between or during a lunch break. All right, when I get one. All right, so I want to encourage you because these things, you do spend a lot of time where you work. It's life. We do spend a lot of time at work. And so it's important that your station is set up in a way that serves you for the long term. All right, so please, there are ways you can also Google online ergonomic. I'll spell that for you, ergonomic, ergonomics, ergonomic sitting or ergonomic positions for my workplace. It will show you ideas on what to do. And please, these are things you can ask at your workplace. You can ask for sit to stand desks. You can ask for chairs that support your back and your neck. If you're starting to notice that those things are, you're starting to have the pain and the strain and, and stretches don't help. Okay. So please be encouraged. These are workspace tips to help you avoid back and neck pain. Ask for what you need at your workplace. You do spend a lot of time there. Thank you so much for watching. As always, caring is sharing. So be sure to share this to encourage others who could be struggling with this as well. Happy new month. Welcome to your best month yet. It's going to be in October to remember. Please believe for it. Please hope for it. Please expect for it and enjoy the month. Till I see you on the next Tête-à-tête. You have a good one. Oh, by the way, I'll be going live again later this evening, 6:30 p.m. Central Time. We'll be talking about tips on how to enjoy restful sleep. Okay? All right, everyone. Have a good one. Thank you for joining me. Happy October.